Here we go again. So I will connect the blue wire. Okay. Okay. So red light only. So the red light, so I will use blue wire. So and I will connect this blue wire to line 1. So, and I will use blue wire, white wire. For the second terminal of this indicator one. So I will connect it to normally close. So I will connect to normally close. So okay, so we can test again. So if I switch on the breaker, or if I switch this breaker to on position, the red light will lit and the green light is still off. But if I push this button green, or if I push this push button green, so it will open, it will on. So okay, let's start it. So see the red indicator light is lit. Indication the relay switch is not activated. So you need to push this to activate the relay. So the red indicator light is off. Indication the relay switch is on, and the pilot green or indicator light green is on. So that's good. So only this pan motor to connect the line to test the whole circuit. So we will disconnect the power source from this breaker. Okay, so let us continue. So I will connect this one on the line 1. Okay. There is no. Okay. The last one. So the load is connected in the two terminal of normally open of this relay. So okay. So we can test now for the final. So for the final, this is the load and this is the indicator light red, indicator light green, push button green, push button red. So it's a complete whole circuit. So I switch the breaker to on position again. So okay. Okay. So you will see. Okay. You want to see the contact? You want to see the connection wiring? I can. Okay. 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 Okay, so let us see. So I push this push button din to start the motor. Okay. When I turn, when I push this red push, when I push this red push button switch to stop the motor again. Okay. So once more, once again. One more. See? Okay. Okay, thank you.